I'm Chef Dale MacKay, and today we are making a rustic and comforting delicious tamale pie featuring Rotel's original tomatoes. So we're gonna add our vegetable oil. Get a really nice hot pan. As you can see, I'm using cast iron, keeps the heat, and then we're not gonna have to transfer it later. We're gonna cook it right inside this pan the whole time. So we have nice oil. As you can see, it's smoking, it's nice and hot. That's what you want. We're gonna get our beef in there and we're gonna brown it off. So we're gonna cook it for about 2 minutes, get a nice golden brown on one side, and then flip it over, and then we'll finish cooking it out, giving a nice golden brown. Okay, now our meat is cooked off for about 4 to 5 minutes. As you can see, it's got a nice kind of lightly golden brown. It's all cooked through. I'm gonna carefully transfer this out of our hot cast iron pan into a dish on the side here. All right, we're gonna put our cast iron right back on there. And we're gonna start adding our vegetables. So we have our onions here and our peppers. Our vegetables have been sauteing for about 2 or 3 minutes, and now I'm just gonna add our garlic. Cook that out a little bit, put our beef in. Now we're gonna add our black beans, our Rotel original tomatoes, 2 cans. That, a little stir up. Okay, now we're gonna add our cumin, our paprika, and our chili powder. Finish off with our salt. We're gonna give this a good stir up, and then we're gonna keep sauteing it for a few minutes. Okay. Our filling's been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, it's all nicely incorporated, so I'm just gonna kind of scrape the sides and just make sure it's all even, thinned out. And then I'm just gonna place that on the side for now, and we're gonna get going on our crust. So start with our cornmeal. Then we have our all-purpose flour. We're gonna put in part of our corn. Give that a little stir. Okay. Next, we're gonna add our melted butter. Our Co-op Tex-Mex cheese. Our beef broth. Baking powder. And our salt. Gonna give that a good stir up. I like to let the crust sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. That way, as you can kind of see, it gets a little bit thicker as the cornmeal absorbs up that nice beef broth. So now it's kind of sat and it's got a little bit thicker. We're going to start crusting our pie. So we have that, we're just gonna take it and just start putting it on the top. Nicely like that. Okay, now that we've got our crust on there, I've reserved a little bit of corn. We're just gonna sprinkle that kind of over the top. It's gonna give it a nice little look, but then also let the corn caramelize. It's gonna be really, really delicious. All right, time to go in the oven. We're gonna put in the oven at 400 for about 25 to 35 minutes. Our tamale pie has been out of the oven for about 15, 20 minutes now. We're just letting it slightly cool, and then we're gonna cut right into it. All right, just gonna garnish with some fresh cilantro. I personally love to have a little bit of sour cream and salsa with mine on the side. And there we have our delicious tamale pie using Rotel original tomatoes. If you want this recipe and many more, you can go to food.crs.